Adna House of Folk and so Tina Legon Small Stadium. A try to me from the Nation Service Kabakwa. So entimi anti Abrante Hamza Isa in the 69th minute and Oshe Godo at the Ama a House of Folk Brana game no aye depa at the Ama a house Edonya Gono and so at the Amamo. Anra Ada Kumase Asante Kodogonsono etina Kumase Baba Stadium. If I call crime Z2 any dreams our dreams it me ono na share one aye refund Damon and na omo share aye team no I don't see na aye minimum na also nim game and na eno boy e Kumase Baba and Sports Stadium na game na dey pa in fact for no nim no bia nya chances are na senka utimi de punish and young but dreams do mbo mu de agui and na finally for Kotoko no Abrante Kwampoku a share and go no adema aye Kotoko mo share dreams e kabako ema Dreams FC entimi anti eye ekano Young Apostles and so e share Karela kam yenu ma Karela eti kano eye ba komba se Holy Spirit eti fie share Samatex kam yenu amo entimi anti Bekum Chelsea ti fie omutwa Hoho United e kabako a amo so entimi anti na Bechem United and so etwa struggling 11 wonders e kabako a amo so entimi anti edna All Blacks eti fie twa Vision FC kam yenu a amo so entimi anti inti after Monday 14 no Osha Ghana your Premier League na ya bona pamcha say understanding so no and so esi etie Adriana informed omo na edikan omo awo 27 points medium e game back a so omo ba e free gym omo so etoso mienu e 26 points Asante Kotoko red abetoso miensa omo awo e 24 points House of Folk etoso 9 omo 24 Panda out of Lounge omo teban kakra omo at the num with 23 points baby any Gold Stars etoso eye insia omo awo eye 22 points Samatex etoso 21 Karela etoso nwoche 20 points Young Apostles etoso nkron omo awo 20 points All Blacks etoso du omo awo 18 points Hoho United omo so awo 17 points at the 11th position. The Otosu Dumi no a Nation Service 16 points. Basakoli Stars Atosu Dumi 16. Vision Atosu Dunai Amon our 15 points. Bekum Chelsea Tosu Edunum Amon so our 15 points. And now relegation bon Kanimino Dreams FC and now after say Amolusi to Aya Sante Kotoko Amon at the 16th position with 14 points. Bechem United Obia says, hey, the Bechempa, and after week 14, Amada relegation bunker in 17th position with just 13 points. And 11 wonders, Omodia, and young one because yes, players in Ukraine, Yadian, no Modi, indeed, them so baby, Omadana, and Amada languishing at the bottom after Monday 14 with 6 points. Almost do a SWAT teams in India. Now, your board games in the year started from the House of Folk. Nation Service game na no mo born Saturday no your ball game ni did it Dramani I say Oweka after so mo share Nation Service kabako omo entimi antino
I think that you go in any game and then your optimism is that you have to win and so but you have to be thinking about how you have to organize and then be able to put the acts that will give you the attitude of winning.
Coach, your substitutions worked perfectly. We saw Mauli Wayo and then also John Parku and those two were hugely involved in the goal you scored that won your 3 points. What do you have to say about that?
I think that is part of the game and then you need players to start and you need players who can make changes. You need players who can affect the abilities of the team.
Now, your 3 wins at home this season have all come by the same scoreline, 1-0, 1-0, 1-0. Are you worried you're not really finding the back of the net frequently when you play at home?
I think that when we create more chances, we are very optimistic that we will score more. You need to be doing something frequently, and then you get the act and the confidence to continue to do it, and then you get the act to be able to act in a very better way in terms of the decisions you make.
Coach Didi Dramani ne brofo akese.
Didi say no kasa house players.
Yeah, sure.
And then no money no.
Brofo no akese ne do so do. Oh my for mu bi anto ase.
So what you dey so tawaso. Ye kwa to brofo mpo yo.
Didi
Oh, but for only the simple.
But sir, me born in some not far. Did drama say so who cook game na adwini nyina say o kono kwa kwasha na edin because as much as who cope go na say so say opponent na on ne kobo no ono so nkosha na sa idea say me kwa kwasha no eno so ankwa say na at a point so mutie ni ya the interview no busa ne say udi players bi ba mu na a bit change a game no say yes sometimes in football and so you feel some rant ne ba no ade a chess on me no so ba ye ne kan bi e ma hasofuk enya that 1-0 no now say bi sa ne biem say as 1-1 no do so anytime bi abehye bia no aye 1-2 no ni ade no entama no say yes on obi an ya adwen na enkakra us omo ye o training ground ni ade na ogide say bedroom maybe no players ne beti ase na omo create chances na omo so no etimi abobo no ade agu eya trenim the opposite number coach from Paul Manson Mayanga on the nations akoye ono so no after so mulusu ye no yenti nkoma odi tuja.
Well, I think it was a game we fought, especially in the first half. In the second half, maybe for 10 minutes, we went off, and then that was how come we allowed that cross to even come in. So for me, it was a game at least maybe we could have ended a draw, but for that, I would say a mistake. They allowed them to play on the flanks, and then that cross came. We've done a lot to make sure we stop all those crosses, but then we allowed them to go for it. Yeah. No, we were not keeping the ball. At that point, that we considered. We were always 1-2, we lose the pass. 1-2, we lose the pass. That was how come the pressure came on us. So for me, we couldn't hold the ball well in the second half, especially in the first 15 minutes. And that gave them that, let me see, the counter, they will win the ball and then play to the flank, and then in one of those crosses, they headed in the goal. So it was a transition. We couldn't manage it well. We were losing the balls too many.
Okay, and from Paul Manson and so asem and say if I'd on them rant in the first half in the end and second half no crowd here. I said the first 15 minutes of the second half no I'm the ball in Chesa and I say on them rant and idea about training grounds. I start is to how to defend. See across the ball about 18 balls in Mosia no amu and a has a fire or more a day a punish on any team. So I just omo bakuma se na omo so no abetutu niema na niema timi akoye a day. I'm now to the commercial bar stadium ebra asante koro nso twa dreams akaba ko a omo entimi anti-crime zito obotia and former team intino.
I think we went 4 matches. We couldn't beat anybody. We created a lot of chances, but putting the ball into the net was our biggest problem. We don't stay focused. And you can easily see that we are playing, but the goals are not coming. So this match is supposed to be an important match to me because I just want to break the jinx of not winning for 4 matches. It has not happened to me. Is it true? No, at least I will do something. But it was very enjoyable. Those who did not come to watch the game today have missed something because the coach has proved that really I taught him something, and I'm very happy for him. Even though the last minute I was able to beat him, I took my chances well.
Okay, anti-crime zito. After so no dreams, a couple come antimi antino or say, I mean you'll be an himself Kotoko born do more bo. But the problem and it's a Kotoko the bono about 2 atrem and inti now Kotoko about 4 matches are no munya a win. Into a muko game or catch and rant and say, sa story now down that narrative no person sano. Into Quan Bia so much na omitim born at 2 10 I saw my first now on my day at 2 say I mean obia nipa kakra bar stadium and now some TV every game no omu say in fact all dreams no we from demon a chain aduma pa na on any rant no aso be chese ball no bo mu enimbo pa na dreams in so of course amu coach aye Winfred aye Domon on so no after the game or say scoreline no disappointed kakra because of few say nanka anya hwekura draw bi de na zen komusu timinya
Well, it's very, very disappointing. I mean, heartbroken, to be honest. They started this first half, like I told you, we decided to contain them, play on a quick transition, which we managed to open them up. I mean, on 3-4 occasions in the first half. I could not imagine that this game ended 0-0 after the first 45 minutes. Then the second half, we came, we did some 1 or 2 adjustments. Okay. Kotoko also pushed, to be fair. They also had 1 or 2 chances, but we defended very well. Then we did 1 or 2 chances, tactical changes. We decided to push them. Then against the run of play, corner, I mean, a free kick to, so to speak. I think we didn't defend the lines very, very well. Then we did 1 or 2 changes again. We decided to look for, salvage for something because on the balance of play, Dreams FC deserve a point. I mean, there were chances. I mean, we just need somebody just to put the ball into the goal. But it was not coming. It's unfortunate that the team played so well. I mean, dominated the play.
Okay. For them on, also about the 2 after the game, no. And Yabobi Ediama was a score line. In fact, we are born in the mountain, no dear. Officer, or disappointed because at least only 1 or 2 chances be nice and commodity at the 2. Ghana Premier League Monday 14.
Obeje say since Nhyira Mo Shaban koye interviewer and maybe omo swedro a threatening say omo naked demonstration and paying for them. Obeje say since then swedro lose match. Omo lose match back crowd.
As a man and Casomba Rome.
And then my van that ona
this ana get it guy. On some benefona and Sunday mombo body job but
me the kakodui and say since omutra so be ya stop you omo no. And your man asasa sometimes you need a little bit of pressure. Our system nim. So utie coach from Paul Manson after Nations in the house game now. Or say na it was a game ending in a draw. Do you know what that communication means? Nations FC are more enough to win the match. Now, say, may analyst na me share game we. Na coach be beji to me say, a game where we didn't deserve to win. Rich Olusu and one no. Because say undeserved so winner, then you were between draw and losing. And the difference between draw and losing is 1 moment per and na Hamza is a fine. Until we born our bono, unjini say you've played good enough to win. Or best should be a draw. But the original draw no and it's a lusu. I 1 moment per. Say we opponent take care of Sobeshi. And Hamza Isa rose and headed the ball home for House of Folk. Look, it's a big team, Rich. Go through hard times, na say open response. That response, eba me. So watch me. I don't judge it whether it is dirty or it is beautiful.
3 points now, okay.
And now open. Has a losing 2 games at Waso. Na swear say. A could be a win the first piano. They need to find it at home. And then I'm say, oh, but no. They needed a win. Sometimes, Rich, in football, say if you are in critical need of a win, you the temperament to play it nice. Intimidatum Haas needed it and they had it. Now, before I move on from Haas, one big issue be, Rich. What you say, yeah, nipa sebchori na no ne coach ni edi nkomo no. Ebusa ne say Obusa did say afiwe o 3 wins awanya nyina e wo home. Aye 1-0 nkoa. Na da be na be shoot to seem say you don't have the firepower. Rich, did him. Ni technical team ni nim. Ni players ni nim.
And any this season kwa.
Ni fans ni nim.
As there will be any 5 seasons.
Say they need to augment almost striking. But Rich, the biggest problem in this is Minim say Kotoko Eke kind of want to buy a striker.
Yeah.
Minim say all the other teams about Premier League, you know. After watching baby a Premier League never bedroom paying Rich, try to fix one or two problems bi wo team.
Na na pen can say Kotoko beto 2 players. Unless it be a BBC. But for now, the club has taken Kotoko decision is to buy 2 players. Baby, I'm free say no problem to fix. Enti Kotoko dey so am confirm some beto 2 players.
2 players, you know. China.
China.
Remember, me will feel every remember.
Okay.
About Kotoko players no or beto no. Now Rich, me issue here. China is 16th December, me boy.
Yeah.
According to Ghana Football Association, China and a January transfer window no ABA, me boy.
Yeah.
Rich, when me say a free Sam me koi, say anti say bibia sisa has intimate player.
So,
they can't augment their team
because of the ban.
Yes. I said many.
And he has almost yes can go there.
I said 3 months salary
because he say has said na okay one penny for him say goal scoring a problem. They say na mutu to play.
Every stakeholder coach no nya dey. Nti na say ni eni ebusai. Which the best we can do is to ask questions. Ebi ya shimi muti ezako mo ene Bernard Money ni pato mu a ebi on pay fa mo mu ansa bia on betima me aswate.
Okay.
But the problem is Ochina is 16th December. Ochina and January transfer window ABA our Ghana Premier League nim. Obia plan the person auto. No all this shady team no ejina brane. So has bibia sisa. They can go through that exercise. And I'm sure that will be the difference between teams that are competing the rest of the season and has to focus.
Okay.
Now reach Mami Rio Baba Stadium. Here. Asem will be anka memeka. Kotoko players no. Enyo mu nyina. Any omo technical team no. They need to up their game.
Form.
And Rich, in sports science, form. And when you don't do a no man getting bimpo walla, it affects your play. Have you realized Kotoko don't start games well? And it be carried through the whole of our first half.
As a second.
What realizes that? Ujiri said they contributed to that. Warm up in yet. Kotoko warm up in yet. Warm up in here too relaxed. Here, Rich, I went through this experience with Kwame Pepra. Okobo Orlando Pirates, you know, one of the vacation be or buy. But there's some small tablets be. I say sachet in getting kitibim. Tia Koboboa, maybe or the biaba, a gugunicanim. Rich. Say on team warm me up here because community gala special. Now, this idea na that's on my obidia. Now Uber Bobo that Rich on my obidi within 2 minutes. But if you first started to on sa on 9. To me you, then your body start to heat. And I'm saying, na kwame na we also say it's bench. Na ye be mu second half.
The mind.
Near the mind to stimulate your body, no.
Yeah.
Say the be do the level of omo game nim dadana oma bono. What it means is that Rich say I just for free bench ba before you start the game. Udebusobia warm up is very important. Anything here you know, and you must do it with intensity, no. So that your anything I say Kotoko start games so slow. Nipa no do warm up, no. They should talk to him. Say players nankasa so attitude they must change. They must be professional enough. That is why Kotoko starts very slow in games, no. My observation side way, their warm up is too slow. They must come on. A part of the game very important for sports science. We say part of this word though. Yeah, the sports science diagram. Again, Rich. Morphine don't you never vow.
Are you too early?
Oh, Rich.
Because when he has over penalty.
But Morphine knows issue no yakwe na kidi any before blasters.
Fan emfa.
And unim, I thought yes, our games mupe. And the reason why they give you an opportunity is hey bia or you be different or training, but oba game and emfa. Almost training quite the same time.
No, nya chance we bam.
Mr. Rich almost training quite a team more clearer chance of still now buying.
And you're not confident that conform.
Rich na Kotoko me or the better players especially foreign player. And yet Kotoko academy for him no man promote him you your money time ever foul.
I beg you.
This is a foreign player you cheer the car in foreign currency. Rich Omono analysis is different. Omo any time bebre because you pay huge money. Say Ghana I'm grabbing young water for Bantima and you so potential ne yari ne kaka metiasie man not obisa morphine. And they should move on quickly from him. Minimum Kotoko, one of the two players are what is on open, one A striker, one A DM. And see, look, it is a house at the end. And then I say, we sit time. Kotoko needed results in the
form.
Yes. And I said, Bibi, they just needed to get the ball in. And I come poku free bench by Obama almost at 3%. Good results for two big teams in Wahano. Okay. Good results for Adriana, who for me are the biggest winners this weekend. Say Omotimiko Pando, Eko Winnie, Mediama Ambo game because Omo contributed too many players to start a team, Black Galaxy team in Kobo against South Africa. No, since a man of threats is Omo Romo, no, and Oma Eko Yemaswedro and Enra. I think it was good. Both Chelsea and Bichum, and you know we need 1-0, which Nana saying no man could but they also have had one very good winner. A bit my moment Premier League in the rich. If you're watching that we are gearing into transfer. Sure. Because transfer window, no, NBA teams now in Share FM. Yeah, but all the exclusives on the transfer. But unfortunately, I'm here to ask me because
yeah, Papa Isaac Osei Opoku Morrison at the Ababe Dying in Share FM say